So I finally replaced my toilet seat, and honestly, I'm thrilled I did. I went with the Mayfair Linden Slow Close in white. It's made of real wood, super solid, and that soft close feature? Total game changer. No more slamming lids. I already had the LUXE Bidet installed, so I just needed a seat that would work well with it, and this one fits perfectly. The quality impressed me. You can tell right away it's not plastic. It's smooth, heavy, and feels premium. Now, here's the thing. Initially, I wasn't even planning to buy a new seat. I had ordered a universal screw kit from Jetec because I planned to replace the old plastic one. But once I took it off, I saw that the part where the screws go was cracked, so I figured, okay, time for an upgrade. Fortunately, I had the Jetec kit because when I tried using the hardware that came with the new seat, it didn't work with my toilet's curved base. The bolts were too bulky and wouldn't turn properly. However, once I swapped them out with the Jetec ones, everything fell into place remarkably easily. Now the seat's secure, looks great, and works perfectly with the bidet. In the end, everything turned out better than I expected. A win. Overall, I'm pleased with how it turned out. The seat feels sturdy, looks clean, and fits great with the bidet. If you're thinking about getting a new one, I think you'll like this one too. Just a heads up, if your toilet base is broad or has a bulky curve at the bottom, like mine, it's a good idea to have a slimmer screw kit on hand, such as the one from Jetec. Other than that, it's an excellent upgrade.